I want to give you some tips, some swimming skills that you need to have for your swimming, either for you or for your kids as well. The first one is the breathing. Why is it important? Lots of people, I see lots of kids and adults, when they do swimming, they just catch a big breath. And then they go all the way down and swim all the way to 10 to 15 meters without breathing in and out. And that's all they can do. Now imagine, you do the breathing in and out while on the dry and while you're walking. Why can't you do the same in the water? And there's a reason behind, there's a physiological reason behind. You need to keep the oxygen going in and the carbon dioxide going out. So in order to produce more power, because your muscle needs some oxygen in order to generate more power there. So if you want to find out more tips, don't forget to stay tuned on our Facebook, and we'll give you more tips in the next video there. See you later. Bye for now. The other tips I want to give it to you is the floating. Why is it important for your kids? Is for safety. Because while they are doing swimming lessons there, while they're going, that is part of the safety practice in the swimmings there, because when they get tired, they can float on their back and wait for someone to rescue them. Is for safety. And for adults, why is that important for floating? Is because while we're swimming, we need to stay near the top of the surface of the water while we're swimming instead of the bottom there, because it will create lots of resistance there. And if you create lots of resistance, it will be really hard for you to swim forward or backward there. So it's for efficiency swimming. If you want to find out more, stay tuned and I will talk about more tips in the next video there. Bye for now. Hand and eye coordination there. Super important. Doesn't matter if your child or you doing tennis, basketball, badminton, all sort of sports. We need to have a well coordinated skills. Hand and eye coordination skills there. In swimming will be the same, because you can't do your freestyle arms moving forward, but your legs is not kicking. Let's say if you are doing your breaststroke, when you get in your arms, you open it up, you get your head up and breathe, and you do your kicking at the same time. So the hand and eye coordination is super important in swimming. How are you going to practice that? Number one, send your child to do different types of sports, such as like basketball. Number two, practice more in our swimming school as well, or practice and dry land. If you also want to find out more different skills in swimming, stay tuned and I will give you more tips in the next video now. Okay, bye for now. Kicking skills. Doesn't matter what strokes. For freestyle, we need to have to do kicking. For butterfly, backstroke, breaststroke, we need to do kicking there. You ask me why? There's only 2 or 3 parts of your body that can generate propulsion moving forward. Number one is your arms, which is the strokes. I will talk about the next one. And then the second one is your body, because you can do your butterfly, your wriggling. And number 3 is your kicking. Now, normally, your kicking can generate lots of power to help you to move forward, because we have a big chunk or large muscle groups on our legs there. That's why you can see your legs, the muscle is way bigger than your arms. So you can generate more power to help you to move forward there. And the next episode, the next chapter, I will talk about and other important things for swimming as well. So stay tuned. The last one, the swimming skills you need to have is strokes. What do you mean? It's the arms movement there. Now you can see when you do your butterfly, you move your arms. You can just do your kicking. Or when you're doing your freestyle, you can just do your kicking without doing your arms there. There's a reason. For arms, especially your hand, your wrist there, can actually dictate where you're going. You can move forward, left or backward there, but the kicking cannot. So kicking only can get you to move forward there. Of course, when you're doing backstroke, it get you to go the other way, but your hands got an amazing talent there, can help you to go left or right on doing scaling as well. So one of the important skills in swimming is the strokes, which is the arms there. If you want to find out more about the swimming knowledge or some of the things that you need to know, don't forget to stay tuned on our Facebook, also on our IG as well. Check out our website if you have more questions. I will see you in the next video now. Bye for now.